if we look at EY as a company, as a business, you actually see EY of the big four has the most audits and they make the most revenue per employee. So what does that mean? How do you make the most revenue per employee with the most audits as a big four firm? You have the fewest people working on the audits, right? You understaff the audits compared to your competitors, and you make the most money. And I actually can prove this to you. This is from Vision.cpa, which is a blog by, Rob didn't put his last name on there, Rob Valdez, who's been on the show before. And he did an analysis called Rethinking Rankings, the top 100 firms adjusted. And he says, look, in this post, he says, you can't look at the big firms or the top 100 or top 400 or any of the big firms, whatever their size, based on revenue. It doesn't make sense because this is a people business. So he says you have to divide the revenue by the number of employees and get revenue per employee. That is how you decide what are the most profitable, what are the best firms, and which are the best ones to work for. And EY, even though it's ranked 3 in terms of revenue, has the highest revenue per employee at, get this, $383,900 per employee on his chart here. Markham is next. And then you get some much smaller firms.